Hello students, today we are going to study another type of the tissue, that is called as the muscular tissue or muscle tissue. Muscular tissue or muscle tissue. Muscular tissues are made up of muscle cells. These are made up of muscle cells. Since muscle cells are elongated, since muscle cells are elongated and large sized, so called as muscle fibers. So muscle cells are called as the muscle fibers. Muscular tissues or the muscle tissue is made up of muscle cells. These muscle cells are called as the muscle fibers. Why these cells are called muscle fibers? Because these cells are the elongated and large size, so called as the muscle fibers. These muscle fibers contains a contractile protein. Muscle cells contain a protein called contractile protein. Contractile protein. Muscle cells contain contractile protein by the contraction and relaxation. By the contraction and relaxation of the muscles, movement of our bones takes place, our heart movement in the heart takes place, in our the muscle takes place, in the all the parts of the body due to the contraction and the relaxation of these the contractile protein, the movement of the body parts takes place. So there are three types of the muscles. There are three types of the muscles. So we have to discuss one by one. Three type muscles. What are three types? One is the striated. Three types. There are three types of muscles. Number one is striated. Number one is striated muscle. Second one, unstriated, or it is given in your book smooth. Smooth muscle, and third one is the cardiac muscle. Third one, cardiac. So we will discuss one by one type of the muscles. We will discuss one by one type of muscles. First, cardiac muscle. First striated muscles. Second one is smooth muscle, and third one the cardiac muscle. We will discuss one by one type of the muscle. So this is starter muscles. Its other name is there, stripped muscle. It is also called as the voluntary muscle, voluntary muscles. So these are the different names of these muscles. One is the striatal muscles, stripped muscles, and the voluntary muscles. One more name is the skeletal muscles. Skeletal muscle. There are the many names are there. So we have discussed why name is given. Since these muscles have light and dark bands. These muscles having the light and dark bands, so name given as the stiffed muscles. So if you see the structure, you will find it is having such type of structure. So this is the bands, dark band and the light band. Strip, one strip is there, one strip is there, one strip is there, one strip is there. So name given as the students. So this is the dark band. This and this is the and this is the light band. Since it contains dark band and the light band, so name given as the stripped muscles. Why name given as stripped muscles? Since these muscles contain alternate light and dark band, so name given as the stripped muscles. Next one, the voluntary muscles. These muscles work according to will. According to our will, these muscles work. If you want run, then these muscles come in the action and we start in the running. So this is the voluntary muscle. Since these muscles work according to the will, according to our will, so name given as the voluntary muscles. And the name is there skeletal muscle. Since these muscles are attached with our the skeleton, just like the cartilage and the bones, so name given as the skeletal muscles. Since these muscles are attached with the bones or with the skeleton or with the skeletal system, so name given as the skeletal muscles. So it has three names: stripped muscles or striated muscles, second one is the voluntary muscle, and third one is the skeletal muscles. Now we have to study about the structure of the muscles. These muscles are elongate or elongated and straight, unbranched, these muscles having the unbranched, straight, or straight means that you can say properly it is having the not properly state but having the unbranched, and there they have the blunt ended. Blunt ended. Both sides are blunt. This side and this side, both sides having the blunt ended. So elongated, unbranched, blunt ended, and contains many nuclei. Many nuclei. And nuclei are not centrally located, but they are found in the peripheral region of the fiber. They are found in the peripheral region of this the fibers. Suppose such a nucleus is there, not rounded nucleus is there, but nucleus is found towards the or the close to the and at having the plasma membrane, and that is called as the plasma membrane or the plasma lemma. It is called as the sarcolemma. Sarcolemma, and the cytoplasm is called as sarcoplasm. So sarcolemma, this one structure is called as the sarcolemma. Sarcolemma, and this is it is the nucleus, and this is the sarcoplasm. This is the sarcoplasm. So this is at the structure. These muscles can work very fast, but for a short time only. So these muscles can work very fast, but not much more time, but only for a short time. Suppose we start the running, and then how much time we can run fast? After running fast, our speed reduces, and one time can when we stop the running. What happens? By continuous contraction and relaxation of the muscles, there is the scarcity of the oxygen, and that time lactic acid is formed, and lactic acid prevent the contraction of the muscles. So this situation is called the muscle fatigue. So these muscles having the muscle fatigue, so they cannot work for a long time continuously, but they can work very fast, but only for a short time. Location where these muscles are located. Where these muscles are located. Location of the muscles. These muscles are found in our the legs, hands, in our the abdomen, in our tongue, where which part of our body work according to our will, these muscles are found. It is also found in the pharynx. So these are the location in our hand. These are found in our hand, in our legs. These muscles are found in hand, legs, hands, abdomen, and this one is the abdomen. What do you written? Abdomen, pharynx, tongue. tongue. These are the regions where these muscles are the found. Thank you. That's for today. Next day we will study more.